Today, let us make a geometry, hollow geometry. So we will basically construct a cylinder first. So the base will be in XY plane and the center at 0, 0, 0. It will have a radius of 50 mm and it will have a height of 100 mm, and there will be one more cylinder which we will be making this to make it hollow. So this will have a radius of 25 mm and height will be of 100 mm. Again, this also will have the base at 0, 0, 0. So let us see how to make a hollow section in Rhino. So the task will be to make a hollow geometry in Rhino. To perform this task, we have to take box section. We have to make geometry 1 and 2. Then we have to use Boolean difference. So the highlight is using Boolean difference we will make this hollow section. So that is our idea. So let us jump into the section how to make this. So for that you just open Rhino. In Rhino, go to this section, solid creation. So we are creating solid cylinder. It will have a base at 0, 0. So our aim is to make 0, 0 at the first point. So I will just type here 0, 0, 0. So that is our first point or the center of the first circle. So basically now a center with a center point 0, 0, 0 it is made. Now we will type radius 50. So in our what I have mentioned, the radius is 50. So by default here you type 50. So I have already typed it as 50. So I just made 50. Now end cylinder, end of the cylinder. So it is basically asking the height. So it's already 100. So I will just type done. We need to vary this dimension. You can vary and just type done. Now the cylinder is made. You can see this is the Z axis. It is in the center. Okay. Now again, in order to make this geometry 2, we have to create one more cylinder. So the same task is performed. Go to the section cylinder, again same point 0, 0, 0. Then yes, now center is formed. Now again it is showing the radius. So here I am going for 25 mm. So now I will give 25 mm and height is 100. So it's already there, now 100. Now you can see one geometry, second geometry. In order to see this property, go to this and you can see how the property is varying. So first it is extrusion, so it is a closed extrusion. Second, it's a closed extrusion. Now we have to make it hollow. So the process is here, Boolean operation. So you can see this. This is the command to make it hollow. So in order to find this, you go for Boolean difference. Here you can see this is the Boolean difference, or else you go to this section and this is the Boolean difference. So go take this. Now the surface, select the surface of polysurface to subtract from. So I will go take this, done, and the second one, done. Now this is a hollow section which we had made. So this is how we will make a hollow section. So here this is having geometry 1. You can see the geometry 1 here, and it is hollow section. You can see of R25. Now if you need to color it, again go to the view. I will just say by layer, red, green, everything. So I had color it. So this is how we make a geometry hollow in section. Now let us see how to make another geometry in hollow. So now I will just delete this. Let us see how to make a box section. So we will give a box section. We will make a box section. And we will make it as a hollow section. Let us say this box base is at XY plane at a height of 50 mm. Let it be a cube. And let's say this radius is 10 mm. So in order to do this, again the command is Boolean difference. Basically Boolean difference is geometry 1 minus geometry 2. So let us do this. So basically go to this, create first corner where you need the first corner. So I will just keep it 0, 0, 0. You have seen this 0, 0, 0. Now I will just give x is 50, 50, 0, 0. Again, now I have given x as 50, y as 0, 0. So basically it is asking each and every points. So here, in order to say this, First I choose this point which is 0 comma 0 comma 0. Second point I had choose, this is A, this is B, this is 50 comma 0 comma 0. Again this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So now I will say this point as 0 comma 50 comma 0, and this will be 50 comma 50 comma 0. So now I just type this can be 50 0 comma 50 comma 0. So by default, if you assigned three points, the base is formed. Now the height, so the height is z value. Either it can be minus, positive, or negative. When it is positive, it will go upward. When it is negative, it will go downward. So now height is around 50. Now the cube has been formed. Now we need to make a cylinder of radius 10. So for that I will take this base of the cylinder. So base of the cylinder, let me fix it here. So base is here. What will be this coordinate? So this is 50. So this will be 25 in x. (25) we had formed. Now this is y-axis. Y will be around 25. 25 0. So this is my base. So I will type that here. 25 comma 25 comma 0. Now it is asking the radius. Since we had mentioned 10 mm, I'll keep it as a 10 mm. Height is 50, so we'll keep 50. So now you can see there is geometry 1 2. Now the command is Boolean difference. So it came, press enter, first done, second done. Okay, now hollow structure is formed. Now let us color it. Go to color, by layer, color is green. See, in order to do the coloring, I had just go to my earlier coloring video. I'll just share the link here so you can see how the coloring geometrical creation and coloring is done. So that's guys, that's it for today. Thank you.